The wild ride continues on Wall Street. Trader Tim of Buy Alerts is standing by. Tim, what are your trading keys in this manic market?
Yeah, absolutely. We'll see if the lows Monday are the lows for a while. So at least somewhere to kind of hang your hat on if you get long this market. If it breaks there with conviction, probably time for another leg lower. So that kind of, reversal on Monday could be a sign of some short-term, at least non-selling coming in. How long-lasting the rally is, we will see. And kind of forgotten about as we're getting into earnings season this week, certainly the end of the week when the big banks report. I think that will be ultimately key here. Obviously dominated from what comes out of Washington, but for the longer term, certainly earnings matter. And then the 10-year yield kind of off the radar as well, but that shot up big time. So you had higher rates even with stocks heading lower. So normally doesn't happen there. So a little bit of confluence as well. So it should be a continuation of that kind of big range, no change market, I think, going forward, Angie, where you're going to see this day to day kind of, back and forth, but week to week, probably not going too much higher or too much lower from these levels here, as the damage that is done will probably take some time to be digested by the market.
This is very much a trader's market with a rush of buying and selling and volatility. How are you playing the stock market?
Yeah, really, I think it's more of a trading philosophy here. I think I'm using the heightened implied volatility in options to sell out of the money, puts and put spreads to position to be a buyer. And if I happen to put that trade on, then sell out of the money, call and call spreads to kind of hedge it off on a rally, bring in additional income. I think playing the trading range and taking advantage of the VIX, which hit the highest level since COVID, means very expensive options. So favorite selling strategies, great time to kind of be doing that in this market, getting paid to wait to see where this market ultimately heads longer term.
Thank you, Tim. Have a wonderful trading day.
You bet. Anytime, Ange. Take care.